So welcome back, guys. Here we go again. We're back to do drawing number 10. We're halfway through the skills task building exercises. And we're going to use the same technique as we used in drawings 4, 5 and 6. We're going to draw the profile and then extrude the profile to the full width. And we're again looking at my shape. It's the long side profile I'm going to draw, and then I'm going to extrude it across 30 millimeters. Alright, so here we go. Same routine as we start every time. We go File, New, Metric, Standard Part, Create. Start a sketch, up to the top left hand corner again, Start Sketch, select the XY plane, and this time I'm going to select the Line tool, because I'm going to draw a profile that's fairly similar to what I want, but not the exact size, because I'm going to use the dimension tool to add the correct sizes to it. So here we go. Starting at the origin, remember it goes green, click, drag along, click. I've got a bit of an angle, I've got a bit of a flat, so checking that my dimensions go 100 and go parallel, get that little parallel symbol, go up at 90 degrees and go back to where I started over here. Notice as we go back to our origin lines, we get like a little yellow dot saying you're lined up, and then a green dot back at the origin. So we've got our profile. That looks about right. Now I can add the sizes in that I know from my drawing, always starting with a long size. So my dimension for the length, which goes from this point back to the start, we know is 50 millimeters. I'm going to go up to my drawing square at the top here, click on front, so it centers it. I can see the whole lot. Looking for the next size, I know. Okay, I can tell that the back of the block from there to there is a 20 millimeters high. So let's lock that in for us. I can also see from my drawing that the length from this edge to this edge is a 30 millimeters. And I can see that the drawing says that the length of this component here is 10 millimeters. So again, I've locked that in to that point. Notice again, I haven't had to do anything or worry about the angle yet, because the last thing I'm going to do is check my drawing, and it says the height from this size to this size is 10. So now everything's locked in. So you can see it's all gone blue, all my sizes in. I haven't had to worry about doing any angles. So I can finish the sketch, go up to my drawing cube on the right hand side, click on it, checking how far I've got to extrude it this time. So I'm going to extrude it 30 millimeters. So I'm going to go over to the extrude button. It's automatically selected my shape. I type in 30 and I go OK. The orientation is the same as what I have in my drawing here, and I can check the profile looks right. And that's again easy way and a reason why I do these sort of shapes in this profile. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, until next time when I see you for drawing 11 and 12, which are going to be a bit more complex. We're starting to get into more complex drawings now. We're going to have to use combinations of techniques. Until next time, ciao.